Hey everyone, welcome back to TheMonaZine. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I almost didn't post this video. I sat down to paint this vintage Joker face on a wooden coaster, and the final result just didn't turn out the way I pictured it in my head. But I decided to post it anyway because art isn't always about being perfect. I really wanted to capture the classic, slightly creepy vintage Jester vibe. The sketching phase went well, but as I started layering the acrylic on this texture dude, things got tricky. Sometimes the paint doesn't flow how you want it to, or the proportion get a little lost. Have you ever had a piece where halfway thought you just want to paint over the whole thing? Instead of throwing it away, I pushed through. I added this bold black outline to try and save the contrast. Is it perfect? Definitely not. The smile is a bit wonky and the shading isn't my best work. But you know what? It has character. It looks like a rusty, vintage piece you might find in an antique shop. What do you think about it? Let me know. You know what? As an artist, we are always our own worst critics. I want to pass this over to you guys. What would you have done differently to fix this piece? Do you ever post your failed or imperfect art? Let me know in the comment below. I would love some advice. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more real art journeys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.